Today, we will delve into NULS governance, exploring how NULS enthusiasts can actively engage in the decision-making process through participation and voting. In this video, we have covered how a governance proposal takes place on NULS. The content includes NULS participation and governance, the NULS community constitution, voting rights, council, and voting. First of all, let's talk about what the community governance tool is. The community governance tool is a decentralized product based on the NULS smart contract. This tool enables each NULS holder to exercise their voting rights and participate in the NULS community's development and growth decision-making process. Now, let's discuss the NULS community constitution. The community constitution introduces the governance structure, organizational structure, and operational mechanisms of the NULS community and foundation, including the community fund. There are three pillars to NULS governance. Voting rights. Every NULS token holder can exercise their right to vote. Every one NULS is equal to one vote. Community members should fully understand the operating mechanism of the NULS community, the council, proposals, rules, and more, and actively participate in the decentralized governance process of NULS. Voting is crucial to the development of NULS, so please vote often and responsibly. The council. The NULS Community Council is a member organization composed of NULS holders who together execute the foundation management regulations on behalf of the NULS Foundation and the NULS global community. The council is elected by a community vote, which represents the interests of the global community and promotes community advancement and growth throughout the world. Currently, there are 5 NULS council members: Reaper Ran, Stephen, Lynn, Niels, and Bertsek. Let's talk about how the proxy voting system works. Anyone can delegate their voting rights to an agent who will vote on their behalf. Any NULS user can be an agent. The agent can only have one level, there can be no second level, and each NULS user can only delegate their own voting rights. The agent can be revoked at any time, and the voted votes are also revoked, in progress voting. Now, onto the voting process. Any NULS holder can create a proposal and participate in the NULS voting process. Proposals are reviewed by the councilors and then opened for public voting. The passing of a NULS proposal involves 3 stages. First, it is reviewed by the councilors. Then the voting starts. Once the deadline passes, it proceeds to the execution process, but it can be abandoned if the number of votes is insufficient. Proposals can apply for funding, suggest technology and development changes, add contributor roles, or request the withdrawal of various contributor roles.